live in the flight path at Muhammad Ali International Airport say they can't get a good night's sleep. There is a program where people can get free noise-resistant windows and doors to help, and 90% of homes tested get approved. Tonight, Focus reporter Travis Breeze interviews someone in the 10%. She's not happy.
I would think the best shot of getting them.
Virginia Embry knows all the best angles to see planes flying over her house.
It's just coming over right here.
In the tiny city of Parkway Village off Preston Highway, it's a fact of life.
But I know last Sunday it was horrible. I mean, they were just constantly coming over Sunday.
Her living room is quieter, but her bedroom, which faces the east runway, features a terrible lullaby.
It's mostly every night.
Most of her neighbors have taken advantage of something called the Quieter Home program. The Louisville Regional Airport Authority will install double-paned glass windows and noise-resistant doors for those who qualify. The improvements are valued at $57,000.
They can kind of shake my bed at night. Sometimes when the big planes is going down the runway, I can feel my bed kind of move.
To get the noise insulation, you have to live in an approved area, which Embry and her son Richard do, and you have to pass the sound testing. Sound testing involves airport employees coming to your house with a loudspeaker and blasting 65 decibels of simulated noise at your house, while at the same time measuring with microphones inside. Now, your home needs to have at or above 45 decibels inside. The Embry's home tested at 43.6. The airport rounded them up to 44, but they were still 1 decibel short.
I was disappointed. Very disappointed that I had worked so hard and that I had been left out.
In a statement, the airport authority said, retesting of any property requires special permission from the FAA's Airport District Office. That must include a valid reason, such as a lack of access to the exterior or interior of the property, or a significant remodel. A retest was considered, however, it was determined that the address did not meet the criteria. The airport has insulated 764 homes as of July 1st. 28 homes were tested in Embry's group, and they were the only ones to not pass.
And for them to turn me down by 1 point, it is very frustrating.
This is especially tough for Virginia, as she collected signatures in 2013 to argue that her block should be included, even doing an interview on WHAS.
We pay taxes here as same as anybody else, and we deserve the quiet.
All that hard work and no reward. She hopes her story can get the airport authority or the FAA to relax its guidelines, because her home is plenty loud and she doesn't know how else to plead her case. If you want to know where are the areas that are currently approved for the Quieter Home program, they are along Preston Highway and Eastern Parkway. The gray areas were done between 2010 and 2015, and the red areas is what they're currently working on. So how do they come up with where these areas are going to be? Well, it's all based on FAA code, and this map, you can see this black line right here, dictates who is in the noise zone. So what you're seeing here is just phases 1 and 2. There could be a phase 3 of the program that includes more homes, but the details of that are still being worked out. In the studio, Travis Breeze, WHAS 11 on your side.
Now, Travis also found out another caveat to this is homeowners have to sign a contract saying they will never sue the airport for any issues related to flights over their house. You can find the link to this story on our homepage.